City Hall moves to end legal defense of ex-Mayor Adams in sexual assault suit. Mayor Zohran Mamdani's law department moved Tuesday to end the taxpayer-funded defense of former Mayor Eric Adams in a sexual assault lawsuit filed against him in 2024, claiming his alleged actions are not eligible for city representation. In a Manhattan Supreme Court filing, the city sought judge approval to drop Adams as a client, arguing that his alleged 1994 sexual assault of a female officer while he was a leader in her department doesn't count as an action within the scope of his public employment, the necessary qualification for a person to receive legal representation from the city. Law Department head Stephen Banks said he made that determination after reviewing new evidence that had come to light since the city's original decision to represent him in 2024 was made in a statement after the filing. When asked for a comment on the city moving to drop him as a client, Adams spokesperson Todd Shapiro told AM New York Adams had been proven innocent before, presuming referring to other legal matters, and would not comment on ongoing litigation. What we can say is that throughout his time in office, Mayor Adams conducted himself with professionalism and a deep commitment to the people of the city of New York, Shapiro said in a statement. Shapiro did not respond to a question from AM New York on whether Adams would be seeking out new counsel for the case. The 2024 suit stems from allegations made by Lorna Beach Mathura, a black woman who claims Adams drove her to a vacant lot and requested oral sex from her when she asked him for career advice, as she'd been passed over for a promotion multiple times. Attributing that decision to sexism and racism within the department, she sought Adams' support since he held himself out to be an advocate for equality and fair treatment for black employees, her suit says. When Beach Mathura refused to give him oral sex, Adams forcibly pushed her hand onto his erect penis, and then, after she removed her hand, masturbated himself to complete and ejaculated on her, according to court filings. Beach Mathura filed suit under the Adult Survivors Act, which opened up a look-back window for sexual assault cases. She said she had been too afraid to speak out against Adams in fear of losing her job when the assault happened, but felt an obligation to bring his actions to light when she learned of the new law. During his confirmation hearing in front of the city council in February, Banks said he planned to review city representation on a number of controversial cases carried over from the Adams administration. Since taking office, Banks has also moved to end the city's representation of former police department chief Jeffrey Maddrey and former top Adams aide Timothy Pearson in sexual assault cases. That's all I have to say for this video.